How to change your Google Chrome's background. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily change your good old plain boring background on Google Chrome. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Chrome, first thing that you have to do is on the top right corner, you will see these three dots. And from here, you just want to head over to your settings. Once your Chrome settings is open, make sure you head over to Appearances on the left side of your screen. And once you get to this tab, here you will see an option for theme. Click on it and it will show you all of the available themes right here. But if you want to explore more themes, you can click on this link right here, which will open up your Google Web Store. So you can just search for Chrome Web Store. And once you search for it, go ahead and open up your web store and search for Chrome backgrounds or Chrome's themes. You can do this anything. So I'm just going to search for Chrome themes, and once you click on it, you will see different type of themes that are available for your Chrome. You can add those, or you can even choose these by default. Click on the color picker to choose your color preference, and once you do that, you can just click on OK, and you should be good to go. So that's how you basically change the background of your Google Chrome. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one.